he acts like it's still in there and I don't know how.
The police saved the life of the child with an object stuck in their throat. Here are the moments.
Call Central. Start me first responders at the Tecumseh car wash. I've got a young child choking.
Is it out of your throat, baby? Is it still in your throat? Yeah, okay.
Okay, gotta get it out, buddy. Bend him over, so I can count on his back.
Bend over.
What's he have in his back? Huh?
Huh?
What's he having? What did he take?
It was a sucker, but there was. It was a sucker, but there was. Oh no!
A quarter.
A quarter, babe.
Is that it?
Can you breathe now? Can you breathe now? Is that all you put in there?
Call Central, were you clear?
No. Is it? What else did you put in there?
You know what traffic, Central's clear.
Huh?
Okay, I've just got trying to do a Heimlich on him. I got a quarter to come out of his mouth. His face is still pretty blue. He is crying now though, but go ahead and have him come check him out.
Well, clear. Is this County 12?
Affirmative.
It's out.
I want them to